How to remove gallery from File Explorer. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to remove the gallery from the File Explorer options on your Windows 11, it is quite easy step. For this, you have to make certain changes on the registry editor. However, keep in mind that changing from the registry editor can be risky and must be done in a proper way. If you open the File Explorer, you will see that the gallery is just below the home option, and if you right click on it, there is no such option to change or delete it. So let's get started with the process. For this, open registry editor and go to this location. The location is Computer, HK Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, and then into Explorer and under Explorer Desktop. Hereby, you will see a folder called as namespace 410-42327. Once you reach on this location, just double tap on the namespace, that number. There you will see a folder or a file structure. That is for the gallery. So you just have to right click on it and then delete it. But before that, make sure to copy the name of the folder and then you can delete it. This way, now the next step would be restarting your computer. Once restarted, if you check it, the gallery has been removed. However, if you want to again get it back, you can click on the same folder, click on New, set up a new folder of the same name that you had copied before. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.